go. What happened?
It's really deep right here. Holy Hey, don't go here.
Oh.
This is like a sinkhole.
Look at that.
My front tire disappeared. Holy balls. Oh.
You did great. Sweet.
Oh my gosh. It looked awesome.
Yeah.
It felt great. I felt really solid. Really, really good until the front tire disappeared.
Yeah, it looked solid until right about there.
I even debated going right.
Right in this region here.
Oh my